Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul Reiber from Freedom Motors USA up here in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we're looking at a 2017 Toyota Sienna, beautiful blue, side entry, XLE with leather interior, heated seats, 30,000 miles, power sunroof, and an automatic deploying wheelchair accessible ramp. I've already deployed it so you can see what it looks like when it's out. Just a push of a button, it goes back in automatically. Pretty cool. Here at Freedom Motors, been in business for over 30 years, and we have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, crossovers. This is one of many. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. This is Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan, 2017 model Toyota Sienna, beautiful blue color, gorgeous. 30,000 miles, 2017, heated seats, leather, power sunroof, automatic deploying side entry, wheelchair accessible ramp. With the side entry, you have a lot of flexibility with the seating. You're able to park your wheelchair either in the middle here, or in the driver's seat, or the passenger seat. If you had a easy lock system, you can lock your wheelchair right into place and drive right from the passenger, or right from the driver's seat. You can drive with hand controls if necessary, or you can ride shotgun as a passenger. You got a power sunroof. You also got a seat here. It seats 3 people, so you have the 3, 4, 5, 6 people could possibly ride in this vehicle, including the wheelchair occupant. Power rear hatch as well. XLE, the top of the line model. All the bells and whistles. Gorgeous vehicle. Thanks for watching my video. Please click